Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning. Okay, good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
All of you know the portion for the Sunday test.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the portion?
Ma'am,
A
a truly
truly
beautiful
beautiful
mind.
Truly
Chapter
beautiful
4 from
mind.
behind.
Yes, a truly beautiful mind. Okay. We'll do some MCQs from that chapter. Okay. Whose genius still reigns after 50 years? What is the meaning of this reign?
Rules remains.
And what is the meaning of this reign? REIN.
मैम मैम इसका मतलब होता है कि मैम टाइम
नहीं, this reign. REIN. It is the rope that is tied to the nose of an animal to control it, like in the horse or in the cow. You put a rope in the animal to control it. That is the rein.
बाप रे पैर यहाँ पे
The
जैसे तो
rein.
हो गया अरे सुबह से नहीं लग रहा है जैसे दर्द नहीं होता था उस टाइप का लग रहा है एकदम लग रहा है ना कटा हुआ है
Mute yourselves. Who is talking? This a rope. To control the reins of the horse. Okay. So,
Ma'am, what is written after or?
what is written after?
Or.
Strap.
Strap, tied, or strap. Yes. Okay. So, in English, there are so many confusing words. Uh, These are the confusing words. You can get confused. Okay. Whose name has become synonymous with genius? So, first question: whose genius still reigns after 50 years of his death?
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, may I answer? Vishakha.
Ma'am, may I?
Okay,
May
Vishakha.
I?
Ma'am,
Vishakha.
option D, Einstein.
Okay. Whose name has become synonymous with genius?
May I?
Okay, Ashish.
Ma'am, may I?
Ashish,
Option A.
Einstein's name. Okay. When was Einstein born?
Ma'am, can I?
Okay, Janvi hasn't answered.
Yes, yes, ma'am. On 14 March 1879.
Yes. Option A. Einstein was born on 14 March 1879. Where was Einstein born?
May
Bulgaria,
I?
Ulm. Okay. Who hasn't answered today? Anurag hasn't answered. Okay, Anurag, where was Einstein born?
Ma'am, option B, Ulm.
Yes. Einstein was born in the German city of Ulm. Okay. What did Einstein's mother think of him? He was a born genius. He is intelligent. He will rule the world. Albert was a freak. Was there?
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, may I?
Abhinav Anand. Abhinav Anand.
Yes, ma'am.
Answer this question. What did Albert's mother think of him? Albert की माँ को पता था कि the son is a genius right from birth.
No. Ma'am, can I?
Okay, Mohit.
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, Albert was freak.
Yes, Albert was a freak. What is the meaning of freak?
Ma'am, unusual.
A person whose
मतलब
behavior
बहुत
is
अजीब बिहेवियर
A
वाला.
person who doesn't behave like others.
whose behavior is unusual, not like normal people. So freak. When Einstein was born, there was no indication that he would be a genius person. He was just an ordinary child. In fact, there were defects in him. His head was big and he behaved in a very unusual manner. So there was no indication. जन्म के समय कुछ भी ऐसा संकेत नहीं था कि आइंस्टाइन जो है इतने बड़े जीनियस बनेंगे. What did Einstein's Albert's classmates call him? दोस्त क्या बुलाते थे?
Ma'am, can I? Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, may I?
अभिनव.
Abhinav.
Abhinav, yes, answer Abhinav.
Brother boring.
Yes, very
मैम
good.
ऑप्शन सी.
Brother boring. Why did they call him brother boring? क्यों बुलाते थे?
Ma'am, because ma'am he do not
Because he
talk
was freak.
with
He don't
anyone
used
and
to
he,
talk with anyone.
Okay, Abhinav, answer. Why did they call him?
ma'am, because he don't want to talk with anyone and he stay preserved.
Yes, very good. He did not mix up with the other children. He hardly had any friends. And even if when he was there in the company of the friends, he did not talk to them. So he found it very difficult to mix up with his friends. That is why his mother thought that he was a freak, and so they called him brother boring. This was the name. By
हम
what?
लोग chat में आंसर मत करें.
Ma'am, can I?
Abhinav, you have answered. Someone who hasn't answered today.
Ma'am, may I?
Tanvi hasn't answered today. Okay, Tanvi.
Ma'am, D, 2.5 years.
Yes, 2.5 years. So if we see, Einstein had many defects in his personality. There was no indication that he would be such a great genius. He talked at a very late age. He had a big head. He was very unusual in his behavior. 2.5 years. How many times did Einstein utter a word when he learned to speak?
May I?
Okay, Ashish.
Ma'am, may I?
Ashish.
Option number D twice.
Yes. So when he learned to speak also, एक तो वो बोलना बहुत लेट से स्टार्ट किए, और जब बोलना स्टार्ट भी किए तो वो हकलाते थे, एक चीज को दो दो बार बोलते थे.
हम स्टमरिंग करते.
Yes, stammer, stutter. What did Einstein love to play with?
मैम may I?
Ma'am, may I? Ma'am, Abhinav.
Ma'am, may I?
Vishakha.
मैम ऑप्शन बी मैकेनिकल टॉयज.
Okay, mechanical toys. So Einstein loved to play with mechanical toys. What did the school headmaster answer? Priyanshu Ranjan.
Ma'am, may I answer?
Priyanshu.
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, may
Abhinav. Ma'am, Abhinav.
Okay, Anurag answer. Anurag Roy.
He can't be a success at anything.
Yes. The headmaster commented that he can't be a success at anything. So the headmaster's guess and prediction was wrong. Headmaster's When did Einstein begin to learn playing the violin? Who will answer?
Ma'am, can
Pooja
I?
Kumari. Pooja Kumari. Pooja.
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, may I?
Pooja.
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, may I?
Okay, Kumkum Pal. Kumkum Pal. Hello.
Ma'am, at
Ma'am,
the
can
age
I?
of 6.
Yes, Kumkum, your answer is correct. At the age of 6. Very good. What is the meaning of this word? Amateur.
Ma'am, doing something for personal interest.
Ma'am, to do something for personal enjoyment.
Yes.
Non-professional. Unprofessional.
Einstein learned to play the violin. He was interested in playing the violin, but it was not his profession. He was an amateur violinist. What does it mean? That he played the violin just for his enjoyment. Doing something for enjoyment, not for earning money. Not for earning money. So Einstein was an amateur violinist.
Ma'am, his mother also wants him to do it. So
Mother encouraged Einstein, and this interest remained with him lifelong. Mother encouraged him to play the violin during his childhood, and this continued throughout his life. He used to play the violin for relaxation. Where did Einstein score good marks in all the subjects?
Ma'am, may I?
Okay.
At Italy.
Italy.
Ma'am, can I?
Delhi
Ma'am,
mein
option C.
Priyanshu Ranjan, you want to answer? Priyanshu,
Yes, ma'am.
answer karo. Where did Einstein?
Option A.
Answer A. At Munich. This is not mentioned in the chapter, but where he's. I don't remember.
Ma'am, it is mentioned.
Ma'am, yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Option
It is
A.
mentioned on 4.
yes, ma'am, it is
Ma'am,
mentioned
at
in the
Munich.
He left the school in Munich because of the strict discipline, regimentation. He did not like the regimentation. And okay, why did Einstein leave the school? For who will answer? Wait,
May I?
someone who hasn't answered today. Priyanshu Ranjan. Chalo, answer.
Ma'am,
Einstein.
Ma'am, option B. He had class with the teachers. Ma'am, option B.
तो था कि उसको डिसिप्लिन नहीं पसंद था.
ma'am, all of these होगा. Ma'am, all होगा.
Ma'am, all.
All
Yes, ma'am, all होगा.
Ma'am, all hoga.
Yes, ma'am.
Also, that is also correct because he was not comfortable at school. So the
Yes,
school
ma'am.
was harming him rather than benefiting him. So it was for good. He had clash with teachers. This is also mentioned, and he did not like the strict regimentation, discipline. That is also mentioned.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, may I? Ma'am,
Einstein.
ma'am, Abhinav.
Okay, Abhinav.
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, option A. 15-month old. Sorry.
When he was 15 months old. When he was 15 months old, yes. Where did Einstein wish to continue his studies? He left the school in Munich because of the strict discipline. Then where he wanted to study?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
may I?
Someone who hasn't answered today. Everyone has answered.
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, can I?
Abhinav.
May I?
Ma'am, Mohit.
आशीष, मोहित सबने आंसर दिया. मुझे कोई नया
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Srija.
Abhinav.
Ma'am, can I?
answer.
Ma'am, can
Ma'am,
I?
may I?
Can I?
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am Vishakha.
Ma'am,
So,
can I?
Pooja Kumari. Pooja
Ma'am,
Kumari. Pooja hasn't answered. Pooja? Hello? Pooja, you raised your hand. Hello? Pooja?
May I, Abhinav?
ma'am, can I?
May I?
Ma'am, may
Abhinav?
I?
Pooja,
Ma'am,
answer.
may I?
Wait, let everyone should get a chance. Pooja, 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 you raised your hand.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, option C.
Yes, Pooja, very good. Where did Einstein wish to continue his study? In Switzerland. And what was the reason that he wanted to study in Switzerland? Mohit?
Ma'am, the reason was that the school in Switzerland was more liberal than the school in Munich.
दिस वाज द रीजन स्विट्जरलैंड का जो स्कूल था वहाँ की डिसिप्लिन जो है वो थोड़ी रिलैक्स्ड थी रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस वर नॉट एज स्ट्रिक्ट एज इन म्यूनिक in Munich what was the condition? He felt very suffocated, stifled because of the strict discipline. Of course, children also should get a limited amount of freedom.
And ma'am, because of his friend also, he chose Switzerland to study.
So this is how. Why did Einstein decide to continue his study in Switzerland? This is a kind of repetition. पिछला question क्या? नहीं, repetition नहीं. We'll answer this. It's an easy one.
Ma'am, Srija.
Anurag
Ma'am,
Roy. Anurag Roy.
Ma'am, all.
Why all? It was more liberal than Munich. This was the
Ma'am, but the city was also good.
Yes, ma'am. And he also liked that place.
The story.
Is it written in the story? City was good.
No, ma'am.
नहीं लिखा हुआ है. It was
No, ma'am.
it is mentioned that it was more liberal.
No, ma'am.
Okay. In which subjects was Einstein gifted and
Ma'am,
interested?
can I?
Vishakha.
Ma'am, may I?
Someone-
May I,
Ma'am, may I?
Priyanshu
May I?
Ranjan.
No.
Priyanshu Ranjan.
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am,
Priyanshu.
option B, mathematics and physics.
Yes.
May I?
May I?
Mathematics and physics. So he was gifted in two subjects, mathematics and physics. Where did Einstein go after school? After school, where he went? Aditi.
May I?
Ma'am, can I?
Akansha Kumari.
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, may I?
May I?
Kumpal, you answer. Kumkum. Kumkum, you raised your.
Option A.
Yes. Option A, to university in Zurich. Okay. What did Einstein call Mileva Marik?
May I?
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, may I answer?
Ashish?
Vishakha.
Creature. Option A.
Can I?
Clever creature.
Yes. Option A, clever creature. Mileva was also an intelligent scientist. So he called her a clever creature. Why did Mileva come to the University of Zurich? Someone who hasn't answered.
Ma'am, can I? Ma'am,
Ashish
Abhinav.
Kumar?
Ma'am, can
Ma'am, can I?
I? Janvi.
Okay,
Ma'am,
Vishakha.
Abhinav.
Ma'am, can I? Vishakha.
Vishakha.
Ma'am, option A. It was the only university which gave degree to women.
Yes. In those times, there were very few universities which admitted female students. Now things have changed. People have become more liberal. Less gender discrimination is there. But in those days, all the universities did not admit female students. Okay. With whom did Einstein?
Ma'am, can I? Vishakha.
Ma'am, can I? Abhinav.
Abhinav. Okay, Abhinav.
Ma'am, B. Milva Marik. Melva Marik.
Yes, Mileva Marik.
Yes, ma'am.
She was his first wife.
Yes, she was his first wife. When did Einstein complete his graduation?
May I?
May I?
Okay, Ashish.
Am I option B in 1900?
1900. Okay. Einstein completed his graduation.
Ma'am, can I, Vishakha?
And can I,
May
Abhinav?
I?
Abhinav?
Abhinav.
Ma'am,
Okay,
can
Abhinav.
Ma'am, may
can
I?
I?
And A first 21 years
Yes.
at the age of 21 years.
Yes. Einstein completed his graduation at the age of 21 years. When did Einstein secure a job?
Ma'am, may I?
May
May
I?
I?
Vishakha.
Ma'am Abhinav?
Abhinav has also answered.
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am,
May I?
Ma'am,
Vishakha.
can I, Mohit?
Mohit.
Abhinav?
Okay, Mohit, chalo. Answer karo.
Ma'am, option C.
Yes. So in 1902, he got the job. And in between, he kept on giving private tuitions and all. Permanent job he got in 1902 after 2 years. 2 years after completing his graduation. Before securing a job, what did Einstein do and which theory did he give?
Ma'am, may I?
मैम ऑप्शन बी का पूरा आंसर मैम नहीं दिख रहा
नहीं,
है
ऑप्शन बी का पूरा आंसर हम लिख देते हैं.
May I?
This is the okay.
Can I?
Someone who hasn't answered. I want new students to answer. Kulya. Kulya. Hello. Can see your name. Hello, Kulya. No response.
Excuse me, ma'am.
What happened, Srija? Yes.
मैम अगर 1902 में मैम वो जॉब सिक्योर किया था और मैम ये थ्योरी ऑफ रिलेटिविटी मैम 1905 में आया तो मैम वो पहले कैसे मैम जॉब के पहले तो मैम वो थ्योरी को ही नहीं दिया.
Before securing a job है. हाँ.
मैम ये क्वेश्चन का एक्चुअली दो पार्ट है और दूसरे पार्ट पे वो बिफोर का इम्पैक्ट नहीं है.
हाँ. यहाँ तक है.
मैम
शायद एक्स्ट्रा कुछ दे दिया गया. हो सकता है आंसर भी कभी कभी बिफोर सेक्योरिंग है. हाँ सही. I got confused. I thought after. Okay, before securing है. ठीक है. Okay, so before securing a job, what did he do?
Ma'am, may I?
Okay, Janvi, you answer.
मैम may I Vishakha?
Janvi?
Worked as a teaching assistant and gave, yes, ma'am, worked as a teaching assistant and gave private lessons.
Yes. Before getting a permanent job, he worked as a teaching assistant and gave private lessons. Okay. Now, what does this lesson, A Truly Beautiful Mind, speak about? Beauty of the mind, beauty of the world, life of Einstein, none.
मैम may I?
May I answer?
मैम
Anurag?
विशाखा.
Anurag?
Ma'am, the life of the Einstein.
The life of Einstein, yes. It is a biographical sketch of Einstein's life. Not the whole life, but some aspects.
मैम summary right.
Yes. When was Einstein awarded with the Nobel Prize? When was Einstein?
May I answer?
Okay, Srija.
मैम
Ma'am, D in 1921 for his contributions to physics.
Yes. He was awarded Nobel Prize in 1921 for his contributions in physics. What is the message of this lesson? Use what all? What all
Ma'am.
to use them for the betterment of mankind. Cut gaya
मैम
hai.
I think option
Ma'am, may I answer this?
Okay.
Ma'am, may I?
Okay, Abhinav.
Ma'am A.
Yes. Message is that a a beautiful mind not only creates beautiful ideas but also uses them for the betterment of mankind. If you look at Einstein, he was a visionary, he was a positive person, and he always wanted to use science for beneficial purposes, not for wars and destruction. Was- Einstein was
Yes,
a
ma'am. He wants
humanitarian.
to stop the war.
Einstein was a humanitarian, a visionary who wanted to use science for the betterment, not for destructive purposes. And throughout, he kept on making an effort in this direction. He wrote public letters.
Ma'am, can I answer this question, Vishakha?
Okay, Vishakha.
Ma'am, option C, destruction caused by the atom bombs at Hiroshima and Nagasaki by America in World War One.
Destruction by authoritarians, destruction of inventions. ऐसा तो it should be all, but all option is not given.
Yes, ma'am. None option is given.
A destruction by authoritarians, the political leaders who took the sole decision and did not take anyone's advice. तो ये भी था destruction by authority. इसको काट के कर देते हैं all, क्योंकि ये मुझे ठीक. It should be all because it is all the three are correct. Yes, in the chapter it is mentioned about the destruction caused by the bomb at the Japanese city of Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Why has the author referred to the late speaking age of Einstein? To show that apparently his growth rate was slower than the children of his age होना चाहिए.
मैम स्लो लर्नर थे वो, ये भी दिखाने के लिए तो ये यूज किया जा सकता है मैम. वो एक स्लो लर्नर थे, ये भी तो इससे पता चलता है.
To show that he was a slow learner.
हाँ, yes, ma'am.
To show that he was a
मैम
मैम
इसमें
दोनों
भी
हो
ऑल होना
सकता है.
चाहिए था.
ऑल होना चाहिए था.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
if this is repetition, birthplace of Einstein, repetition, और इसमें भी गलत आंसर यू होना चाहिए. Repetitive question. Okay, this one is
May I?
okay.
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, may I?
Priyanshu Ranjan.
Ma'am, option B, head.
Yeah.
Ma'am, can I?
Option B, head. Head.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
can
may
I?
I?
Ashish.
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am,
Abhinav?
may I?
Ma'am, option C,
Ma'am,
wheel.
can I?
Yes, option C, wheels.
Yes,
Wheel.
ma'am. होगा.
When his sister Maja was born, so he asked his mother, where are her wheels? ये तो this is repetition. At the age of 6, repetition. Yes. सब जगह एक ही तरह. Okay. Answer with Vidya. People belonging to Serbia are called Todo, Zulu, Hebra, Serb.
I'm Serb.
May I answer?
Serb.
Yes, people.
Serb.
Serbs. Mileva was a Serb. Mileva belonged to Serbia. Philistines are people who do not like.
May I answer?
May I?
Okay, Ashish.
From art or literature, option A.
Yes. Philistines. They are people who don't like art and literature. What is the meaning of this word pupil? It has two meanings.
Ma'am, a
But
student,
yeah. So pupil,
one who learns.
one pupil is the pupil of the eye. But in this chapter, pupil has been used to mean student. Pupil has two meanings. Philistines are people who do not like art and literature. Okay, Einstein and Mileva both had common interest in
Ma'am, science.
Science.
both had common interest in science.
मैम दोनों का कॉमन इंटरेस्ट आर्ट लिटरेचर में भी था
Yes,
ना?
ma'am. Art and literature में भी था.
आर्ट एंड लिटरेचर में भी था, लेकिन एक ही ऑप्शन तो
Ma'am, science में ma'am
if you
ज़्यादा
have
था.
MCQ there you are supposed to choose the most appropriate. Art and literature was not their priority. Basically they were scientists. ऐसे होना तो चाहिए था कि B and D, but when you don't have answer art literature दिया हुआ, but they were scientists, so in science also they had a common interest. Answer तो दिया हुआ, but according to me it should be science.
Yes, ma'am. Option D, ma'am, ज़्यादा appropriate नहीं है.
ज़्यादा art and literature was just their interest field. It was not
Ma'am,
their
hobby, but they are scientists, so
yes,
science.
they are- तो repetition है. Einstein got the job in Bern. Bern होना चाहिए ना. It's the place.
May I?
Okay, Ashish.
Ma'am, may I?
I'm technical
may I,
officer.
Shakha?
Technical
Option
officer.
C.
Technical assistant is given in the chapter, no?
I'm technical expert.
Expert is given. So officer is not given. Bureau of Theoretical Physics was the name of Einstein's office, laboratory, workstation, university.
मैम उनके
आंसर?
मैम ये
डेस्क
तो
का नाम
ऑप्शन ही गलत है.
मैम ऑप्शन ही गलत है मैम, इसमें डेस्क का नाम.
यस मैम.
मैम डेस्क
Yes,
ड्रॉर.
ma'am.
डेस्क होता.
मैम
Yes, ma'am. उसके डेस्क का नाम मैम ऐसा रखा जाता है मैम, ऑप्शन में ही
Desk
नहीं है.
drawer. It is given in the chapter. It is given desk drawer.
यस मैम.
Yes, ma'am.
Workstation is given. In the year 1905, Einstein's special theory of dash was published. Cartan, relativity, gravitation, geomagnetism.
May I?
Ma'am, relativity.
Priyanshu?
Ma'am, option B, relativity.
Yes, theory of relativity. This is what Einstein is famous for. What is the formula?
Yes, ma'am.
E is equal to mc square.
Ma'am, may I, Vishakha?
Okay,
मैम मैं अभिनव.
Vishakha?
Ma'am, E is equals to mc square.
Yes, E is equal to
Option A.
Einstein and Mileva had two daughters, one son, one daughter. Is it mentioned in the chapter?
May I?
Ma'am, can I?
Okay, Janvi.
Yes, ma'am. Two sons. Option C.
Two sons. Name of Einstein's second wife, Mila, Elsa, Missa, Jessica.
Ma'am, may I?
Priyanshu?
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am, B. Elsa.
Huh?
Ma'am, B. Elsa.
B. Elsa. Elsa was Einstein's cousin.
Cousin.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Elsa was. Theory of relativity का तो एक था ना क्वेश्चन. Special theory or general theory.
Ma'am, may I answer?
अच्छा, this is okay.
Ma'am, ma'am, option C, ma'am, 1915, ma'am, theory of relativity.
1915 years.
And 1905.
Huh? 1905. I also am confused in this date. Remember?
मैम
Yes, ma'am.
1915 ही होगा.
1905 में ma'am.
नहीं मैम 15 होगा.
1915 होगा.
Ma'am, 1915 ही होगा, ma'am.
मैम क्योंकि वो
1905
स्पेशल
लिखा
थ्योरी
हुआ
था,
है,
ये
बुक में भी
जनरल
लिखा हुआ है।
थ्योरी है.
मैम बुक में भी लिखा हुआ है.
Yes, ma'am.
यहाँ का आंसर तब गलत दिया हुआ है क्या? 1915?
नो
मैम,
मैम.
सही जनरल थ्योरी मैम 1915 में ही मैम बुक में दिया हुआ है ऐसा.
मैम पैरा 9 में मैम लिखा हुआ है मैम 1905.
मैम एक स्पेशल
मैम
थ्योरी
वो
ऑफ
स्पेशल
रिलेटिविटी है और दूसरा जनरल थ्योरी
स्पेशल
ऑफ
थ्योरी है जो पैरा
रिलेटिविटी.
9 में है, और पैरा 12 में जनरल थ्योरी रिलेटिविटी का है जो 1915 में हुआ है आइंस्टाइन के द्वारा.
अच्छा.
Oh, sorry ma'am, sorry.
I
Sorry.
don't remember the exact date. That is
Ma'am, 1905 का स्पेशल.
okay. So in the year 1921, Einstein received Nobel.
Ma'am, may I, Vishakha?
Ma'am Abhinav.
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am Abhinav.
Okay, Kumkum Pal, you answer. Kumkum?
Ma'am, physics. Ma'am, option C, physics.
Yes, correct. Your answer is correct. Einstein died in 1955 at the age of.
Ma'am, may I, Vishakha?
Ma'am, may I?
May I?
Ma'am, may I?
You answer, Tanvi.
Yes, ma'am, at the age of 76.
At the age
Ma'am, option C.
okay, at the age of 76. Okay, so I'm ending the class now.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you ma'am.
All of you, give the test honestly.
Okay ma'am.
Previous examination, there was the word, the meaning was imitation, and imitation or copying. Emulate, yes, the word was emulate, and 95% students have written ambition as the meaning. That means you have.
Ma'am, I don't written that.
A few students only have written Srija, I remember, and Ashish. 3 or 4
Ma'am, I also won't have written that.
Janvi had written the correct answer. 3 or 4 students wrote the correct answer. The rest, the whole class has written the meaning of emulation as ambition. And the correct answer is copying or imitation. If you are cheating, then you are cheating.